Could we be seeing some of these people coming into court? Kid Cudi certainly stood out to me here. He formerly dated Cassie Ventura, and there are accusations of arson in the indictment against Diddy. And Cudi's name isn't used there, but anyone who's covered celebrity news for a long time knows that it's alleged that Diddy and some of his cohorts may have set fire to his car at the time. So we might be looking at witnesses here, Ash.
Wow, I can't imagine all these famous faces parading through a Diddy courtroom. It's the last place any of them, is going to want to be, that's for sure. Nobody wants to be even mentioned, on any kind of list in the press. It's just so toxic, this whole topic. But, okay, I do want to ask you about some of the questions that the defense is asking these jurors and some of the questions that the prosecutors, because they're very different. Defense seems to be focusing on, like, orgies and cheating and all that kind of stuff, which is perfectly legal. And the prosecutors seem to be focusing on questions that pertain to, like, prostitution, guns, drugs, sex assault. So that's pretty much where I'm seeing this trial go. Am I wrong?
No, you're exactly right here. And all of these things kind of hit one sort of center point there, one meeting bit, where it comes down to how comfortable will these jurors be with the lifestyle that Diddy led. From the defense's side, they want a group of people who are not going to look at multiple sexual partners or hiring prostitutes or these type of freak-offs as being morally reprehensible. They want people who are going to look at this and say, maybe that's not my lifestyle, but I understand that. Where on the prosecution side, they want them to look at it as in more of a conservative tone, look at it on its merits, that they're saying it's not consensual. So you have to understand that there was allegedly drugs and there was a lot of alcohol and there could have been weapons and stuff like that. So where do the jurors land in their personal belief systems about these types of activities? Because not only are they going to learn about them on the stand, but they're going to be seeing them. Video footage of these freak-offs are going to be shown to this jury pool, as well as likely that video of Cassie Ventura being allegedly attacked by Diddy. So how comfortable will these jurors be in their own belief system and with what happened to them perhaps in the past? Were they maybe sexually assaulted? Did they go through any trauma? Those questions were asked today of these jurors to see where they would land on some of these very sensitive topics that are going to be raised throughout this 8-10 week trial.